Well, hey Vicky, Sakpase, how you doing? Thank you so very much for taking time out of your busy schedule to chat with us.
That's
I know,
Mrs. Wanda. That's
my boule. I know this is your premiere weekend. You're extremely busy, so thank you so much for taking out a few minutes, to chat with us. So, how are you feeling? The show premieres on Friday.
I am super excited. I'm super excited, very grateful, and I just can't wait for the fans to see season 3, June 12th on Netflix.
Yes, 2 more days. 2 more days. I'm so excited. Like I told you, we've literally been planning like a premiere party at my house, so I'm super excited.
I remember you telling me. It sounds like so much fun.
So for some of my readers that may not already know who you are, I'm talking to Vicky Jeudy. She's Haitian American, and she is very successful actress. Most people know her from as Janae Watson on Orange is the New Black, but she's also been in a lot of different shows. Recently, I was watching Law and Order and saw you on there, and I was like, oh my God, this Vicky. Go ahead and introduce yourself to our readers.
I am Vicky Jeudy, means Thursday in French, and I do play Janae Watson on Orange is the New Black, and I am born and raised from Queens, and I am Haitian American. I was born here. I went to school for theater. I've been doing this for a long time, and I'm still getting acclimated to the business. So there's always something to learn, and I feel like you should always be learning and improving on your craft, and that's my goal.
So did you always know that, you wanted to be an actress? Is that was something, since you were a child, you knew I was going to be an actress?
I did. I was always creative, and I remember when I was 12 years old, I would always bother my mom and tell her, you know what, you need to take me into acting classes, and I would like to get into modeling, and I want to get into the entertainment business. It's something that I've always felt very passionate about ever since I was a young child.
Okay, cool. So how was your mom with that? I mean, you Haitian mother, how was that? Was she like, yay, actress, or what are you talking about?
Well, you know what? In the beginning of my career, when I was a young child, they were actually very supportive about my dream. I remember my mom; she would take me to Barbizon modeling classes on Sunday, and she also enrolled me in my first beauty pageant when I think I was a teenager. I'm not. So they were very for it, but I think by the time I got into college, it was more of, okay, Vicky, you know what? This is a great hobby that you can do on the side, but this is not something that we don't want you to have a career in this. We'd rather you be something, you could be a nurse or a doctor, something that's more stable where you can have benefits and, get married and have the kids. I think that was their dream for me. And I think that's the dream for so many parents and the Caribbean parents in terms of, they want you to be stable. And you know what? I understand that. I finally understand that because coming from their point of view, they grew up in Haiti and they didn't have much. And it was a sacrifice just to come here and to work and to provide for your children. So right. I think at the end of the day, their goal is we want the best for you. But I think for me, and this is for any person out there who's following their dreams, I think you just need to have a balance where you are responsible, where you can show your parents, you know what, I'm pursuing my dreams, I'm responsible, I'm not asking you for money, I'm doing this on my own, I'm doing it the legal way. So you could show them and they could have confidence in you. You know what? I raised my child, my son, the right way. And I have full confidence in whatever they choose to do as long as they work hard, they're persistent, and they're responsible. They're a responsible human being in society. Then, you know what? I'm
proud
of
my God. Love that. And it's now Miss Jeudy is on the cover of Essence magazine.
Just got the magazine. You can pick it up next week. Thank you, Essence, Netflix, Orange is the New Black.
You're also the 2015 Screen Actors Guild Award. So you're a SAG Award winner. So how does your family, your mom, feel about that now? I mean, you're well, to me, I would assume that that's considered as amazing.
My mom is deceased, so I'm pretty sure she's smiling from someplace else.
Of course.
You sound like my dad. So you
made
it.
You made it. Come on.
How much money are you bringing now? But I think it's a great stepping stone, and all I can do at this point is just continue on this journey. I don't think I so-called made it. I think there's still lots of work that has to be done, but this is definitely a great vehicle.
Does your dad watch the show?
You know what? My dad does not watch the show. He actually I have shown him some clips, but he hasn't seen the full show.
Okay.
He's a deacon at church.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
I mean, even the fact that I'm cursing is like, oh my God, Vicky, you're cursing? Which basically means like, why are you cursing? You know what? I think that was like the number one thing that surprised my whole family was, oh my God, Vicky, you curse? And it's like, I don't curse. It's Janae Watson.
That's what I was just going to ask you. Like,
know.
are there any similarities, though, between Janae Watson and Vicky Jeudy?
Oh, definitely. We both love to work out. I think working out creates great discipline. So Janae and I, we definitely have that in common. Something that we don't have in common is I'm pretty bubbly.
Yes.
You're talking to me right now. This is how I am. Like, when people call me, they're always like, Vicky, you're so happy. And all my nickname in college was Bubbles. And Bubbles because I was always, like, perky and happy and just, like, full of life. Life is not bad. It's really what you make of it. And granted, if something wrong happens or if you're facing some sort of adversity, it won't be there for long. And I believe in God, so, I mean, That's definitely my anchor.
So what can we expect?
One, it's very, 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 very good. So make sure you have your friends, make sure you have your popcorn, and you are in front of Netflix watching.
Yeah.
You know what? We just go deeper into the characters, and I'm sure that the audience will love it. It does touch on spirituality, which I actually really love. So that's one tiny hint that I can give you.
Awesome. So what was it like winning the SAG?
I think it was surreal. I remember sitting at the table with one of my good friends, and my friend is basically, she's using her elbow to say, hey, Vicky, you know what? This is the category. This is the category. And I'm like, I know. And then when they make the announcement, she's like, go! And she just, pushes me, to, get off my feet. And I think it's an experience that I don't even think I have words to describe it. I think it's the fact that you're working with these people. I'm working with people that I love. I'm working with women that I truly cherish, and we do have a bond on and off set.
I know you have a lot of other, exclusives and stuff for us in the works. So congratulations definitely on all of your success.
Thank
now,
you,
before you go, I
MrsWanda.
wanted to do quick, Haitian American questions. The questions I know my readers are going to be interested in. So, really quick. So, Haiti. When was the last time you were in Haiti? Have you visited Haiti recently?
I was there 2010.
Oh, gosh. How was that?
The earthquake. Oh, my goodness. People were still living in tents. It was very sad. It was a very sad sight to see. But at the same time, it was great to see people pulling together and saying, you know what, we will pull through this. And there was a peace and a love and a joy among the community. So that was something very special to see. And I learned how to cook during those 2 weeks when I was out there. Because my cousins, they were asking me, they're like, Vicky, do you know how to cook? And I was like, yeah, I can make eggs. And they're like, sir?
No,
Yeah, so during those 2 weeks while I was in Haiti, they taught me how to make poulon sauce. I made fried rice, banan pesé. What else did I learn? Of course, the hot chocolate, the chocolate milk, that's easy. What did I learn? I did, rice and
they had
beans.
you cooking. They had you seriously.
Yeah, Julie Follet. Yeah, they really did. And I had to, wash the rice and, make sure, you look for the grains, and then for the chicken.
Oh, they want to
you have
with
to
you.
clean it.
We have to get you down now to
recent.
kind of see the difference in how things have changed a little now with, since the earthquake.
I love Haiti. I love my people. Mes Haitiens, oui. I mean, Creole, but mes Haitiens. Everyone is going to be laughing.
I'm telling you, I remember when I first posted that you were Haitian, everybody was like, oh my God, I didn't know she was Haitian. what do you think the response has been to the Haitian American community? Like for me, I know how much the Haitian community loves you, but how do you feel about the Haitian American community's response to your work?
That's a very good question, and I'm pretty sure they're supportive. I feel like, the Haitian community that I see all the time is basically my family. So I think moving forward, I need to know more of the Haitian community. I'm looking forward to getting acclimated to the Haitian community here in the States.
We're going to have to get you out to some of these, Haitian American events. I'm in Miami, so I'm trying to bring you to Miami as soon as possible.
I know, you have been talking about it.
I'm like, we have to get you down here. I'm not going to go with your Haitian dish, but I think I kind of got the idea from you talking about cooking in Haiti. Do you listen to like Zouk and Compa?
I listen to Compa. And for me, like whatever Haitian CD that that my dad is playing in the car, if it sounds good, I'll just go ahead and say, thanks. So I have no idea who exactly I'm listening to. I know it's Compa, but pretty much my dad has fabulous taste when it comes to music. So I'll ask my dad, like, who are you listening to? He's like, Vicky, I don't know. I just, I bought it. Great.
And I wanted to ask you, one of my last few questions is, like right now, I don't know if you have been not paying attention about how the difference is right now with like Haitian pride and how, Haitian Americans now are more pride, showing more pride and waving flags, and everywhere you go on social networks and everywhere we're more proud and we're screaming louder than we used to back in the day.
In terms of that people are coming out more now than they did back in the day. I mean, back in the day, I only heard what other people were telling me in terms of, like, in the 90s, I know that being Haitian was, like, a negative rap. I think it's great to be proud of where you come from and the country that you represent. And you know what, Haiti? Like, we should be proud. Hello, we were the first to win our independence in 1804, so hello. You should be proud. You should just be proud from like where you come from. And I don't have anything to hide. But you know what? I mean, even like some Haitians that I meet today, sometimes I still get from them that they're hiding their identity or they don't want to be associated as a Haitian. And I don't know why. I think it's so sad. Like, I think that's one of the most frustrating things that to me that I see, like if I meet a Haitian and I'm so excited because you know how like sometimes like you spot another Haitian and if they start speaking English you can like hear the accent.
Yeah.
And then for me, I'll come up to you and be like, yo, what's up, pussy? And then they answer English and it's like, now I know for sure you are a Haitian born in Haiti. But you're trying to, pretend that you're American or anything. I think that's a shame. I feel like that's something that I would like to see our community improve on is, you know what, you're Haitian, accept it and be proud. I'm like so proud like being Haitian and the fact that both my parents are from Haiti, they're from Port-au-Prince, and proud that, they sacrificed so much just to give me. And I love the whole Haitian culture. I love how, like, when we meet people, it's, we're going to go ahead and give you a hug and a kiss. Yeah. And I love the whole of how you serve people, like when they come into your home, when you have a guest, to make sure that you're using the best glasses and the best, kitchenware that you have, and just making them feel welcome. I mean,
and it's like we're so much more than, just a country that needs help and needs this. Like, our culture is rich, like you said, and our history is so rich. And it's so like hearing you say all the things that you say is like the whole purpose, like, of like what I do and why I try to share the community with, with everyone.
And you know what? I do see that in your social media trends.
Yeah, that's like our whole website. I think it's going to be so awesome to actually hear it directly from you, how you feel about culture and, our people and, of course, like our country as well. So thank you so very much. Like,
thank you,
before we go, like let everybody know how to find
Vicky
Jeudy.
Okay, so you can pretty much find me on social media, Vicky Jeudy, Vicky with a Y, Vicky. and it's Jeudy with the Y. So it's Jeudy, and I'm on Facebook,
Awesome.
Instagram,
Thank you
and
again.
Twitter.